Hello guys, we are continuing our Technic Rubicon. We're actually really close to finishing. As in the last episode, we put on the roof and the roll cage. And we're on instructions 171 and page 101. You can follow along if you have this too. If you need, get a parent to help you. We're going to be building something, whatever it is.
Okay, so we need to get 4 of these.
Getting 4 cameras.
Here, better pull your pieces out back there because they're getting pushed back a little
Daddy.
bit.
Got 4 cameras.
Okay, then we need 4 of these.
4 bent legs.
We need 3 of these.
3 of those. Half bit. Lightsaber.
It says 2 of those though.
Yep. A red lightsaber, which isn't. It's the long red lightsaber.
There's another one of those.
And you need the chopped up lightsaber.
Okay. And you got this.
First, get the long piece. Then get the broken legs, and okay, that's on this one. No, Okay. We are having a little bit of confusion here. Now once you have this stick dog, then we are this thingamabob. We're going to put some funky pieces into it. We're gonna put this red piece, also the long lightsaber, red one. Then the yellow one right beside it.
Let's move this back so then you can see the next pieces of the build.
And then we're gonna put on 2 cameras. Da dee da dee da 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 dee da dee da dee da dee da 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 dee da 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 da. Okay, we have it. Looks like a black lounge chair with a blue stick coming out of it. That's about to change. Anyways, put some yellow sticks in it. Put them in. Yeah, can't get it in. Okay. Wait, did we finish that stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we're gonna rotate it to the back. Well, maybe not. Okay, yeah, I think so. Then we're gonna put the rest of the broken legs on.
Broken legs.
I just call them that.
Okay.
It's funny. Okay. And also, what's supposed to go in the middle? Because it stops there. Or am I putting on a camera before that?
You're putting on a camera before that, it looks like.
Yeah, definitely. Then we can put the legs on. Legs. Okay. Then we need to get another blue piece. Is this the long one? I'm pretty sure.
Mm-hmm. And it's got to go all the way through.
And you basically put it all the way through.
Mm-hmm. And then
we will put the chopped up lightsaber right here. Here it as a right there. And then we'll get the blue short one, short edition. And yep, those are in. We're in business. And then we'll add another camera to the mix. Now we have a stick.
We got too many of these. Okay, and then this goes around the here.
Oh, so this is for the back.
Yeah, it's a fender well.
Felt like it was something like that. Does it go right here?
Yep. Sometimes, bud, when you get it like that, hang on. Sometimes when you get it like that, you have to kind of tilt it on its side a little bit. So you can use both hands to put the leverage on it.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, you're an adult, so you can do it better.
Well, no, you just didn't know how. Now we're going to build the other side.
Well, there's a different piece.
Yeah, there is.
New foe appeared. We're gonna need one of those, 2 cameras, 2 broken legs, 1 black belt, 1 yellow stick, 1 blue lightsaber, 1 red lightsaber, and
Just one of them.
1 chopped up red. And we're basically just gonna copy that over for the most of it. Sister, so just basically copy that over, but I guess in a different way.
It's okay. Just follow the
Question
instructions,
mark?
bud. We'll sort it out once it gets done.
La 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 dee da, la 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 dee da, la 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 dee da dee da.
Because this is very similar to the one we did before, but it's not exactly the same.
You mean our GT Mustang 500?
No, I'm talking about to this. It's similar to this, but it's different.
To that? And also there was a hoop, and now we're just making custom.
Yeah. This may go on the front of it, not the back.
Oop.
But I don't know that for sure yet.
I'm just gonna basically do this backwards, I guess, in a way. Honestly, I'm not.
And it says do another one.
That was so easy, like literally. Like I made my own custom way to do that. Doing the own teacher's instructions without doing it her way. Anyways, then we're gonna put the new foe has appeared.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not. But we have to put the red chopped up thingy my bob on first. I love Lego. Is this backwards piece?
Yep.
There we go. Now we got the right piece. Is it supposed to be like that?
Nope.
So I was right the first time.
You gotta look. The 2 pieces have to be to the outside.
Oh,
So where's this other piece?
was that the 21? Because we need the 21.
This is 22. This is 21.
So 21 right here.
There you go.
And then black belt. Right here. Yep. This is what we've got so far of it.
And then it's gonna go up here on the front. Remember, like we just did, use 2 hands. There you go. Push. Oh, you had it. There you go. There you go.
There we go.
Alright. Let's get on here to the next
I can't
piece.
wait to put the tires on because right now it's screaming or screeching for tires. But
Always the tires. Alright, next. These 4, those 2, those 2, and those 2.
you need 4 small itty bitty pieces that you do not want to lose. 2 of the extra cameras that look like this, or I don't really know what to call them. I wish Daddy would enable comments so I could see ideas of what to call some things. But you don't. Anyways, then you're gonna need 2 red lightsabers and the 2 tan pieces because there's only 2 tan pieces. Anyways, first you need to get the extra camera and put it on. Yep. Then we need to get the red piece and put that on the other side of it, both ends. And then you'll put those pieces that you don't want to lose on the star piece and just copy that over 2 times. Okay? And we're making this right here where it attaches the roof, which this is very good of it to do that. So I'm assuming we just do it but backwards or same way.
Just see it there. It says do the same thing, so.
I wish you got us editing software so we could basically like cut out parts of the video, but we can't. Okay, we've made 2 of those. This is also an exciting part.
So it says the red will go up to the top.
Oh! So it's supposed to go on that camera over there. And it connects to the roof. That makes a lot of sense. And the door's open, which the GT500 did not. And that's kind of fun, because you can put your minifigs in there without trying with the struggle. I haven't even tried to put minifigs in this one.
They do the other side, right?
Yep. I love this. Also, I remember when we got like this Rubicon. I remember the first video that we made for this one. We said that we wanted to finish it at 2023 Christmas. We still haven't.
We didn't make it.
It's almost been 1 year.
Well, to be 100% fair, we got it in 22 at Christmas, and so
this is we've basically had this for 2 years.
But
it's unbelievable that we've had this and that for maybe 2 years.
Almost.
Yep.
It's not quite Christmas yet.
Yep, but it will be soon.
It will.
Anyway, 2 cameras, 2 of the blue lightsabers. Then you'll just do the instructions and copy it. Which this part is very easy. I'm not gonna explain.
It looks like these will be the mirrors.
I was just about to say.
Hey, I'm glad I could help out.
Yeah. You're probably gonna need to help out.
No, I think you got it.
No, you don't know what I need to do right now. Okay?
It goes in there.
You don't know what I need to do or need right now. Okay? I'm gonna let you
You need to angle them a little bit. Well, they're like rear view mirrors. Whoop. You don't have to go straight out with them. There, just angle them a little bit. Yeah.
And And then we'll have this piece, which is the last one to that L.
And it's gonna go.
Yep. Over here, if it will snap.
Oh well, just use your hands on both sides like we talked about.
How long is this video so far? 15 minutes.
Why are you worried about it?
Okay.
You got a hot date or something later?
No. Okay. Daddy? So, I need to go to the bathroom. I need you to...
He's going to go to the potty, and we're going to sit here and maybe build a little piece while he's gone.
Yeah. And then once I get back, we'll probably be done with that piece. It doesn't take me long, so maybe not.
Well, we'll see. Go ahead. Do what you need to do, buddy. I think he calls these pieces the broken legs. You gotta have 2 of those for this part. And the black belts. They're just little black connecting pieces. I gotta have one of these. One of these. One of these. And one of these. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna build another fender piece here. There's that. And that. There we go. Yellow piece.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay.
Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, I'm very quick. Didn't I just tell you?
Yeah, but I mean, you know.
I don't want to miss any parts of the video.
You don't want to miss any parts of the video?
Because we're making it. I've actually, a little bit spoiler, but I've actually tested the GT of, you know, driving, I guess.
Okay, so this is going to go around over here.
These are heavy cars. Like, they seem light, but you don't know how much it is. Because they add so much detail. You know? When you're not probably, like, it's... I don't even know what to say. I love it, but... just needs a little bit of shaping.
Yeah. Alright, bud. You're back in charge here, so... I gotta get these.
Okay. 4. Cameras. I think that is, yep, that's all the cameras.
We gotta have 3 of these yellow pieces here.
And for the legs, now we just are left with 2 legs. Well, maybe not, because those aren't legs.
Well, those are straight while these are bent. I got the 3 yellow pieces, so now you need...
the 1 short blue piece and the 2 lightsabers. That finishes off the blue. The red lightsaber.
Last one of those.
Well, basically of that kind. And then one last one of the chopped up. Daddy, thank you for taking cover.
Hey, no worries. It's what I'm here for. You better hurry up though. The moon's rising.
Oh, that's funny. Yes, I did get an LED light. You want to know how? Since everybody's starting a new school year, I got in my class, and can I tell you what I got?
I'm gonna bet it's a moon.
Nope. We all got LED lights.
Which happens to be a moon for his.
Which is very cool. And I got the same one as my friend, which I'm very happy about. Happy boy. I hope you didn't just hear my dog bark.
It's alright if they did. Titus he's letting somebody know something.
Yep. I saw the girls were painting their nails. Or at least Mama was painting Everly's nails.
Yeah, well, tomorrow's going to be kind of a girls' day for them and kind of a boys' day for us.
Yeah. Because we have plans. And they have plans. Because they're going to coffee and crafts at church. And we are just going to do some boy stuff. And some girl stuff is what they're going to do. So it's, yeah. Also, I just noticed without, like, the other stuff on, legs, they're not broken anymore. They're real legs.
Better get on to the next piece here.
Anyways, put the 2 cameras on. Hey, it's 21 minutes.
Yeah.
So far, and we're close to finishing all of this.
Yeah, we don't have many pieces left, I don't think.
Yeah, that's about right. Chicago.
Well, it'd be nice to actually finish this evening.
Yeah, if we can.
I don't know if you've got that ability, though. You're the slowest human on the planet.
I am not.
You are sometimes.
Maybe. If you have something and you can't get it stuck, press it down on something and it will fix it. I'm not gonna lie about
Maybe.
that. Yeah.
Alright, next piece.
Get the 2 broken legs. Well, maybe a camera.
Yeah, I think camera's here, isn't
Yeah,
it?
camera.
Then the legs.
It got stuck to my shirt.
What do you got? Velcro in your shirt? What's going on? Oh, I have to fix the camera. There you go.
I like calling it a camera.
Hey, works for me, dude.
Okay. Then I'll put this piece. Nope, that's incorrect. Get up! Help. Maybe it's this small one.
Well, it's gotta be the long piece. It goes all the way through.
Yeah, but it doesn't seem like it. Then we are going to put the red and the blue piece on. And then we're going to put the camera. Camera.
You have another one of the cameras? Because it says you gotta have 2 of them. Oh, you got it. Good deal.
And oh, hallelujah, 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 oh, hallelujah, hallelujah, Papa. Oh, hallelujah, 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 oh, hallelujah, yeah, yeah. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Come on, buddy.
And this is looking small. Small boy.
Okay, so right here. Huh, that means we've got something in the wrong place down here.
Let me see. Yeah, that gray piece down there shows it's supposed to be right there.
Yeah, it's one spot off.
Okay, where's the brick separator?
Maybe that'll work. I don't know, bud.
Oh, it's pushing out.
Okay.
It's pushing out.
Did you get it?
Yeah, pretty sure. Okay.
It goes over one.
Right there? Or is it supposed to
Let's go
go?
right there. But remember, flip it around. No, it goes on the inside, bud.
On the other side? Okay, this might be a little hard.
Just here, buddy. Don't get frustrated with it.
I'm not. This needs help.
Let's see. Oh, okay. I see what it's doing.
We are recording this on a Friday, and I have a joke to crack for you.
Oh, no.
Are you ready? Why did the egg stay home? 'Cause it was Friday.
Oh, no.
Get it? Fried?
You gonna fry an egg? Is that what you're talking about here?
Yep, that's why he didn't go to the chef today. Because it was Friday. Or Friday. Fry? Like fry an egg or something?
There you go.
Thank you, Daddy. I know you worked hard on that.
Worst thing I did all day.
Okay.
Alright, moving on.
The 4 black belts. Where? I think they're on top.
Oh yeah, they're on top. I think you missed there. There you go. Yeah, because you're supposed to build a roof rack. So we'll get to that, I guess, next.
Where did that other black just go?
Is that not it right there?
Maybe. Okay.
Or did you eat it?
I didn't.
I think he ate it.
Anyways, then we're gonna need 1 leg, which isn't broken. And then we're just gonna put that through and feed it to the monster.
You gonna feed something to the leg?
Yep. Then we're gonna get another leg and put that on the yellow.
I think you're supposed to put...
Oh wait, yeah. We need a small little bitty cup that you don't want to lose. And then we can put that on. And then.
Yeah, let's see here. Because the circles need to be the same.
Is it this? No, it says a circle.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, see how that's up and that's up? You have this one to the side, so they gotta both be up.
Okay. Anyways, then we're gonna need these double-sided knife? What? I don't know what to call it. Call this a name in the comments if you enable it, Daddy.
I'm not gonna enable the comments.
I know. I wish.
He's 8. We don't do that.
Okay. Anyways, now we have this long stick.
Mm-hmm.
And then we need a black camera, kind of like the yellow one, but just black. And then we need a yellow small itty bitty piece that you don't want to lose. And then puts the black web on. And then on the yellow. Then we're going to need 2 sticks, which those are the last of the sticks. Then we are going to need 2 of these light gray pieces that is a star connector. Then we're going to need 2 of these broken red pieces, and that's the end of them. And then we need a big connector for the black. And then a weird malfunctioned, born incorrect camera.
Let's see, make sure those are the right ones. Yeah, okay.
Start by getting the big black connector and connect the yellow pieces onto it. And then get the malfunctioned cameras and put them on.
Make sure that they're facing the same way, bud.
Brum, brum, brum.
There you go.
Okay, now that we have that in, we need to get those light gray pieces. Put those in. Then the red, and connect those to the light gray pieces. And boom for that. Where we'll just put it right here. And then we need one small itty bitty yellow piece that you don't want to lose. Then, after that, we need
Right here, buddy. Right here.
black camera. And that's the end of the black cameras. The end of the small little itty bitty yellow pieces, that's the end for the yellow. We've also ended the tan colors, if you remember. And then we need these two pieces that you also don't want to lose that look like gray Starbucks cups.
How bad would that be to lose pieces this close to the end?
And then we need these gray pieces that are also small, like a stud. It's literally...
Oh, well,
Found it.
It happened. Oh, I found it.
And we'll just put that like that. Is that? Nope, that's wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. Oh, nope, I was incorrect again. It was supposed to be on this side.
You're on the short side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you take this and you put them there and there.
Yeah, does it show that? Or does it
See,
not?
look. Boom, boom.
I wonder what this is.
That's the headlamps that go up top. Like,
Oh, well, that's fun. E. Get it?
no.
Okay, you wouldn't know.
You got it, bud?
Okay.
Look at there. You got the roof rack with the lights on.
This is actually pretty durable.
Hey, look what's next.
Tires! Tires! Yay! This is my favorite part. Tires! There's also extra tires.
You know, if I help you, or you gonna do all these?
Would you like to help?
That's up to you, my man.
I like the tires. I'll let you do the 2 front and I'll do the 3. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I do 3, you do 2. Got it?
Okay.
Roger that?
Roger that. Who's Roger?
You.
I'm Roger?
No, I am.
You're Roger. Okay.
Okay. Because we're funny. I can't see. Is it this way? Or... That's the one thing I don't understand, because here it looks like it's supposed to go this side because it is, but this side is the beautiful side.
Well, here's the thing, bud. On Jeeps, you're kind of going with the deep set wheel.
Okay. Well, anyways, you do the 2. And I'm going to put the black back one on. That's why there's a red stick back there. Yeah, that's for the extra tire. Which I have seen those on Jeeps and stuff.
You know what that is?
The extra tire.
The spare.
Well, I guess same thing.
You guess?
I'm pretty sure. Okay. I need help.
Hang on, bud. I don't think you got this one on quite right. You missed. There you go. You gotta get the rubber.
These are harder than the other ones. You know?
Yeah, well, it's these big tires.
Ugh.
Let me see.
I just need this to get out so I can redo it. Now my finger hurts. Ow.
See, there you go.
Okay.
You got it?
It's like it pops in,
Yeah.
but then it doesn't pop
Now, a lot of times you
in.
just have to go around the rim and kind of get it to fold down in there.
Yeah, I know.
With the big tire like that, it's a little tricky.
Oh,
Oh, it's okay. Settle down.
I can't.
You gave up too easy.
It hurts.
See, look. So you just go around the edge there. And it fits just fine. You gotta do it for both sides.
Okay. La 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 la.
Now guess what you do?
La la la. They put the tires on already, but I think I'm gonna do this just putting it on. If I'm correct.
No, I think you have to put it on before you can do the
Womp womp.
lock piece.
Sad boy. Should we do the first
Hey,
front ones?
your dealer's
Hey, we're
choice.
so close. We
Yeah.
just have like maybe 2 or 3 pages. La da la da la da da la da 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 da
Look, did you get it? No. Next.
And it actually moved.
Well, it will when you get the other tire on there.
Boom bam boom bam boom boom bam boom bam 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 beep beep.
Flip it around. Remember, you're going with the deep set. Remember, buddy, it's okay if you tilt it up so you can kind of see what it's doing there.
Let me.
There you go.
There we go.
There you go.
I'm also gonna go ahead and put those on.
You should. That way they don't fall off. Did you do the other side that way? Go ahead and lock it on.
Not so your tires don't come loose during driving, which would be romp romp.
That would be pretty bad.
So that's why they have an extra tire, because the other tire might pop or bust or fly off. You don't know. Oh.
Oh. Well, he's lost
on my
another piece.
foot.
Oh, he found it again.
I felt it on my foot. Oh, that was funny. Okay. Chicago. We do not live in Chicago. I'm not telling you where we live. But we do have a beautiful house.
I think so.
And Daddy agrees, and he should.
Even though Easton's room can be a little messy sometimes.
Yep. But we have like small rooms. What did you just say? What did you just say?
I'm just sitting here watching you put this together, dude.
Last tire, which is my favorite tire for this time.
It's his favorite because he's almost to the end. Let's see what we. I don't think that one has anything that locks on there. Look at that.
Bang, bang, dun, dun.
Well, I think that's a pretty good looking Jeep.
Yeah.
This-
Can I show you the?
I think it's pretty cool. It's actually got some suspension there. And let's see here for a second. I don't think that one does that, but I know it's got the winch that works.
Yay!
And you have to roll it back in.
Which is very annoying.
Not really.
Well, a little annoying, I guess. This might take a second. And also, if you remember from last episode, or something like that.
It's got the engine. But now let's see about this thing back here. See, right there turns the...
Yay! Where's it? It's the suspension is working in the back.
Yep. It got a little bit of play in it, which is good because it's a Jeep.
I know how the suspension works. There's a big gap.
Yeah.
Yay!
I think that's a pretty good job, bud. All the doors open. Yeah, all the doors open. The hood opens. You got seats. You can steer it. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think about it?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. And we finished it before Christmas. We finished it before Halloween.
Yeah, we did.
Good job. All right. Well, I guess that'll do it for right now. We've built all our Lego stuff for right now. So we'll have to see if we keep going with them. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out the rear end of that Mustang.
See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.